Namaskar, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Venkaya Surpur and Jai Jagannath from Puri. So yesterday night after visiting Lingaraj temple, we were really shocked at the temple, the way it was constructed. I've posted a couple of photos in the videos as well, so you might have looked at it. So and by the time we came in here, it was around 9:30 and closed the day off. So today's plan, it's already late. The time is around 7:30 now. So plan is to go to Daringbadi from here. Daringbadi is a hill station in Odisha on the Eastern Ghats. So we'll be going there. And I'm all ready. So just have to dress up and start the ride. Like I wanted to show you the view of the hotel and give a room tour. So let me move into the main camera. This is the view. Yes, there are some buildings and yeah, but we can see the sea here and the hotel. This is the hotel we are staying. Hotel name of the hotel is Hotel Santana. All these are the rooms and that's the lobby and corridor. This is our room 301. It's a 4-bed room which we have taken right now. As you enter, you get to sit with the sofa, TV here, one bed, second bed, hello, and that's me. There's a washroom right there. So that's the room which we are staying. It costed us for around 3,000 rupees. So we quickly get dressed up and we'll start the ride. Let's meet up in the helmet view. Alright, this is the entrance of the Hotel Santana. Please make a note of it. This is a really good hotel. Alright, good, decent, good rooms. So we're all set. Both are ready, waiting for me. So I'll quickly dress up, get ready, wear the jacket and start the ride. And we talk to you in the helmet view. Back to the helmet view and in the bylanes of Puri. Here we are navigating to have a glimpse of Jagannath and start our ride for the day to Daringbadi, a hill station, and there you see the Jagannath Mandir temple of Puri. Let's say Jai Jagannath. So not sure why they have painted the white paint. Not completely on the limited of it, but trust me, it is very beautiful. When you see it, it is lovely. Vishnuvardhan Reddy. One last glimpse of Jai Jagannath Temple. You can see it's so crowded. Like there are lots of people. Today is a weekend. Yesterday it was a bit empty, and we had a very good blessings. We took very good blessings from Jagannath Swami. So let's quickly start. Time is 9 already. Let's go. Right, right update. We have crossed the Chilka Lake and entering towards the Eastern Ghats of India and India's best kept secret, the Kashmir of Odisha, the Daringbadi. We just started. It is around 130 more kilometers for us to reach there, and the time is right now 1 p.m. We'll take around 3 more hours to reach. So obviously it's a forest, ghat, village, roads mixed of. So you can see Kandla 16, Budama 30, and we just started the elevation. I'm not sure what it will be, and the temperature here at Daringbadi 2 days back was 6 degrees. So let's see how it will be. Expecting a very cold weather, though we are prepared, but still expect the unexpected from the nature, Mother Nature. So let's go. The first tribal village here in Odisha. We didn't visit Chilka Lake because of the time constraint. I mean, even while coming, we didn't reach, and today we couldn't. So we'll come some other time for the Chilka Lake. Nirmal Jhar Temple, way to Aska. That's the right update for today, for now. But yes, if I find anything beautiful, we'll do that. I will definitely show you off. And that's the one update we have. I don't know. Right update, we are starting into the Eastern Ghats right now, so we still are around 52 kilometers more. So you can see we just started the ride. We just started entering the Ghat section, the curves, twists. Best thing right now is the butter smooth road. It's so smooth, not even a small stone or not even a small patchwork is there on this road. It's worth giving a toll, I would say. Just like, even when on NH45 you will see bumps and everything. That might be because of the amount of vehicles which travel. But this road is really beautiful. Not even a small bump is there. So hats off to this to the government of Odisha for maintaining this for this road in this remote area. So love this. Right update. Bhavani Patna 290, Daringabadi 33, Titalgarh 234. So we have 32 more kilometers and the forest road starts, which I've been waiting for. This road, this is what makes you feel that you're riding in a forest with the small bridges. Lovely. Roads are really good and it's unsafe for heavy vehicles. Board, it's so big board. Might be, not sure about the reason, but yeah, you see that. Sorry, pen. Alright, getting more deeper and deeper into the forest, and we are ready to get to the destination of the day, which is Daringabadi, and temperature is gradually reducing. We could feel the chillness, cold air. It's not that chill, but yeah, let's expect. I'm expecting it to be very cold today, and what a beautiful road, guys. Loving everything of it, every inch of it. No, like even in this road, though it is small, it is beautiful. Like there are no patches, there are no damaged roads, nothing. It's all good. So, yeah, hats off to Odisha government for managing this road. Loving it, everything of it. So let's go quickly. We have around 22 kilometers and 30 more minutes.